Hey everyone, we are outside on this beautiful Thanksgiving day. The weather is gorgeous, and we just wanted to come to you here at Brandyscards and wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We have a Miss Amanda and her mom here with us for Thanksgiving. Super excited about that. Friends are the family that you choose. So we just hope that you are enjoying this beautiful day with your friends and family, making memories and having some good food to eat. We have our turkey, our turkey cooking, yes, and we've got some really good cookies that Doug made last night. And so we're just really excited for our dinner later this evening.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so, Miss Patty, what is one of your favorite holiday or, Thanksgiving foods and traditions?
I love the mashed potatoes and gravy.
You do?
Yes. It is. It's so creamy and yummy.
Yeah, especially the way you make them, Brandy.
Oh my
like
gosh.
your homemade mashed potatoes. Spot on.
And Doug's gravy.
Oh,
Yeah.
with Doug's gravy. Doug's gravy is magic. Like
It is.
that and the turkey, it gets me through another year. But I also really like the scalloped corn that Doug makes, which is something that I never thought that I would eat something like that. It was too fancy for me, but it is so delicious. And of course, the classic cranberry sauce with the ring from the can around it. Those are.
You're
those are my
easy to
favorites.
please.
I am. What about you, Brandy?
Oh gosh, I love Doug's gravy. It is the best. I could just put it all over all of the food.
Everything, yes.
Everything.
It could be a meal on its own.
It could be a meal on its own. It's so amazing. But honestly, I love red cabbage. I think red cabbage is the best, and we will slow cook it, and I will munch on that this afternoon. So I love that. And I love
my portion.
I appreciate that. I think I can have everybody's portion. And I love anything pumpkin. I love all pumpkin. This morning, Doug surprised me with some pumpkin loaf. And I love it ooey and gooey, just right out of the oven. So, so good. So I'm so grateful. We'd love to have you say hi to Doug. He's behind the camera.
Hey, everybody.
So that's why you can't see him. But we just wanted to come and let you know how grateful we are for you and for your business, your friendship, and for being on this journey with us. Here at Brandyscards, we just love what we do, and we couldn't do it without the support and the friendships of all of you. So from the bottom of our heart, we want to say thank you, and we want to hear what your favorite family Thanksgiving tradition is. So leave us a comment and make sure that you let us know what your favorite food is as well for Thanksgiving. So we're going to be looking forward to those comments to see if there isn't something tasty that we're missing, okay?
Exactly.
That's right. So have a wonderful Thanksgiving, everyone. Bye now.
Thank you.